Hey guys, Martin Barkey here with MBRP. Today you can see I've got the S650 Dark Horse behind me. You guys already know this, but it's a pretty amazing car, pretty cool from the factory. But of course, MBRP had to one-up it with some cool exhaust. Now with the new rear valance, MBRP has come out with, you got it, 5-inch carbon fiber tips. For those of you guys with GTs and such, the 4-inch tips look amazing on the back of those cars. And with that valance, that works killer. But this new 650 Dark Horse, 5-inch carbon fiber tips, can't wait for you guys to come see it. So we got the Dark Horse out on the road. We're just gonna take a quick rip down the road. This is a county road. Right now we're in quiet mode. The neat thing I like about quiet mode in this car, it is just that. If you're in a subdivision or you're in, you know, a housing complex where you have neighbors or even just your own family, you can literally start it up in quiet mode. We're at 50 miles an hour, and I think you can sort of hear the, you know what, still got gears to roll yet. So here we are in 6th. Just over 50 miles an hour, quiet. Down to 4th, 60 miles an hour, 5th gear, 6th gear, just absolutely nothing to it. Okay, we'll try one here. I'm in quiet mode now. I'm gonna try to hold an RPM, or at least hold a mile an hour, and I'll see what happens. So, to normal. To sport, not a whole lot of difference between normal and sport just by doing it this way. And then to race, yeah, that's quiet. And if I go to race, you can definitely hear the difference. And I would say coming down the scale, if you go to sport, you don't notice it. Even normal, just holding it at a, I mean, I'm doing maybe almost 50 miles an hour. Roughly, you know, at 2,500 RPM. It's not a big audible difference. Coming back to quiet is just that. I think the Ford engineers and MBRP team with our valves and such have done such a good job that we do have quiet mode when or if we need it. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, no, I never use quiet mode, but there'll be times where some will, and it'll come in handy when you have it. But you know, as for me, I think we'll do a little race mode. Cheers, I'm out.